Okay, so what I have with me here today is the Playtex Sport tampons. They're the regular absorbency ones, and they're also unscented. And there is 18 that come in the pack. These are the plastic ones with the plastic surrounding around them. And these are with the FlexFit. It has the 360 protection, so it's very good for like sports and things like that. Like it has on the box like tennis and running and stuff like that. So the first thing that I want to say about these is I actually just started using tampons, and I'm gonna say I really like these. I have tried probably 3 other tampon brands and I did not like them as much. They were a bit uncomfortable. They didn't absorb the way that they said they would absorb. And I am a person that, you know, has a very a heavier cycle sometimes, and when I used those products they didn't absorb much, and I would take it out and it was like, oh wow, there's really nothing on this. That's why there was all this excess, you know, everywhere. And I was very, you know, like I just didn't like those because they didn't do anything for me. And I like these because with the other product, I would put it in and sometimes it would give me discomfort, and I have a lot of bad cramping and stuff when I am on my cycle, and I am very uncomfortable when I am on those. And putting that in, it was every time I would put it in, it made me uncomfortable and it would hurt. So I would just go resort back to a pad. And I started using these and they're very comfortable. You can literally use them for anything. Like you can lay down and rest, or you can go play a sport, you know. You can go run a marathon, or, you know, play like tennis like it has on the little box here. I am a dancer, so I do a lot of that all the time. And it honestly works so well for me because you don't want to have like problems and things while you're performing or anything like that, whatever you're doing, your sport or, you know, dancing or anything like that. You don't want to have any problems even when you're just like sitting in class or sitting at a job. You don't want to have any problems with, oh, am I showing, or is something wrong? You know, you don't want to be in that mindset to where you feel like you're always like there's always something wrong. And I like that with these because I never have to worry about if there's any like excess or it didn't absorb at all. And I just really like that because I am a person, again, like I said, that has a heavier cycle, and these protect me a lot better than other brands that I've tried. And so far I'm probably going to be sticking with this just because 18 does come in the box, and they were not expensive at all. Like 18 come in this box, and that's a pretty decent price. And I only have my cycle for about 3 to 4 days, so I don't have to use as many as other people would if you have your cycle for, you know, like a week. But I do like how many come in the box and how comfortable they feel whenever I'm doing what I need to do for the day. You can literally go work in the office or just sit down and, you know, do some papers for the day, or go out and run some errands and, you know, get anything done that you need to do, and you will feel protected all day. And these did not give me any discomfort when I put them in. And I really like that because, again, like I said, my cramps get really bad and I don't like the discomfort from like that, along with what my body is already, you know, doing. So it just really makes me happy about this. This is what the box looks like. It's like a pink and yellow. There. And it tells you like kind of like what it looks like and what it does and things like that, and how they come. And then it tells you like all the different kinds that they have here. And again, this is the regular absorbency sized ones, and they do tell you like the ingredients and stuff. And I know a lot of people can be like allergic to certain things like cotton or polyester. I've heard of people like allergic to those. So when you do get these, make sure that you do pay attention to the ingredients, because, you know, you don't want to have any irritation or anything, especially in that area. That can be very dangerous. So just make sure you're checking like the ingredients here. With the polyester, I've heard people that are allergic to polyester and things like that. So just make sure you're checking with that again. But again, this is the Playtex Sport Tampons Regular Absorbency.